thankful for what Jesus Christ has done in my life? Aren't you thankful this morning that in an ever-changing world, God is the same yesterday, today, and forevermore? It's still the cross. It's still the blood. It's still the most precious name of Jesus. It's not conservative or liberal, however they're defined. It's not about interpretation or the judgment of the mind. It's the opposite of politics, power, or prestige. It's about a simple message that whether we believe, it's still the cross. It's still the blood of Calvary that cleanses sin and sets the captive free. It's still the name of Jesus that has power to save the lost. It's still the cross. Now we can water down theology and preach a word to suit our needs, and we can justify sweet subtle lies that are wrapped in noble deeds, and we can alter our convictions to adapt to social whims, but we cannot change the gospel or